In our otherwise normal world, the extraordinary often defies the laws of science. Scientifically impossible locales are not just subjects of sci-fi films, they are very real. From mystical pools with dark secrets to mountains that touch the sky and rivers that seemingly boil with magic, these are realms where reality blurs and the scientifically inexplicable becomes undeniably real. Buckle up as we embark on a roller coaster of wonder and disbelief. Here are 15 scientifically impossible places that actually exist. Number 15. The boiling river of the Amazon. There are no electrodes or kettles attached to this first one. The boiling river, known locally as Shanay Timpishka, is situated deep within the lush and biodiverse Amazon rainforest in Peru. Flowing through the Mayantuyacu sanctuary, this extraordinary river stands out for its remarkable temperature, earning the moniker boiling due to the exceptionally high heat of its waters. In a stark contrast to the conventional rivers, and even to the rest of the Amazon River, the boiling river reaches temperatures hot enough to inflict serious burns on any living creature that ventures into its waters. Some parts of the river can reach temperatures of around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is roughly 93 degrees Celsius. The scientific community is actively engaged in unraveling the mysteries of the boiling river. Initial hypotheses suggest that subterranean geothermal activity, such as volcanic heat sources, may contribute to the elevated temperatures. Ongoing research aims to understand the geological processes that have led to this phenomenon and how it impacts the surrounding ecosystem. The boiling river serves as a captivating enigma in the heart of the Amazon, challenging our understanding of the natural world. But if you thought this was amazing, just stick around, and you'll see that one after the other, these unbelievable places will send your mind spinning. Number 14. The Sargasso Sea. In stark contrast to the hellish temperatures of Peru, you'll find a one-of-a-kind spectacle in the midst of the Atlantic Ocean. Here, the Sargasso Sea stands out for its peculiarities. For one, it lacks any traditional coastlines, setting it apart from conventional seas. Its boundaries are instead defined by ocean currents, rather than solid land masses. The currents form a closed circulation system, resulting in a vast water body with no direct connection to terrestrial borders. Adding to its mystifying allure is the prevalence of sargassum, a unique type of seaweed. The sea is known for its dense mats of brown algae that not only contribute to the sea's strange appearance, but also serve as a crucial habitat for various marine organisms. The sargassum fish, for instance, has adapted to thrive amidst these drifting seaweed colonies. Also, unlike the dynamic and constantly changing nature of many other oceanic regions, the Sargasso Sea maintains a relative calmness. This adds to the sea's enigma, creating a sense of timelessness within its boundaries. Number 13. The Great Blue Hole. Belize is famous as a vacation destination, but for vacationers, a giant sinkhole in the middle of the ocean can be just as daunting as it is strange. Situated off the coast of Belize, the Great Blue Hole is a natural wonder that captivates with its sheer size and depth. This massive underwater sinkhole, circular in shape, is nestled near the center of Lighthouse Reef. Formed during past ice ages when sea levels were lower, the hole is a collapsed cave system, creating a stunning marine phenomenon. Some even claim that the hole can swallow vessels that dare to intrude, although these claims are contested. But anyway, the Great Blue Hole boasts a deep blue color, which contrasts dramatically with the lighter shades of the surrounding coral reef. Diving into its depths, if you dare, will reveal an intricate network of stalactites and stalagmites, remnants of the cave system's geological history. The hole's aquatic realm is inhabited by various marine species, including nurse sharks, reef sharks, and giant groupers, offering a spectacular underwater experience for divers. Beyond its allure for recreational divers, the Great Blue Hole holds significant interest for scientists. The sinkhole's submerged stalactites provide a geological timeline, offering insights into the region's past climate and sea level changes. Researchers also study the composition of the hole's waters to understand its unique ecosystem, and the potential connections to broader marine environments. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Great Blue Hole stands not only as a breathtaking natural wonder, but also as a valuable site for scientific exploration and discovery. Number 12. Racetrack Playa's Moving Rocks. When you're done vacationing in Belize, perhaps you might dare yourself to venture into one of the remotest parts of the world, and here you'll come across rocks that move. No, it's not an illusion. The rocks do indeed move. Located in the vast expanse of Death Valley National Park in California, Racetrack Playa is a dry lakebed surrounded by stunning mountain ranges. The playa is famous for a mysterious and captivating natural phenomenon involving rocks that seem to move across its flat surface, leaving long trails in their wake. These sailing stones vary in size and leave trails behind them as if they've glided across the lakebed. The trails, sometimes as long as hundreds of meters, puzzle observers and scientists alike. The movement is not constant, but can happen sporadically, leaving behind intricate patterns in the playa's fine-grained sediment. For years, the movement of the rocks remained a mystery, as they appeared to move without any external force. Recent scientific investigations have revealed that the phenomenon occurs during rare winter conditions, when the playa becomes covered with a thin layer of ice. Under these circumstances, the rocks move with the assistance of light winds, effectively sailing across the icy surface. Still pretty spooky for a first-time observer? Number 11. Magnetic Hill in Moncton. This next one is a puzzler because you'd have trouble figuring out if you're going uphill or downhill. The Magnetic Hill in Moncton, New Brunswick, Canada, is positioned on the outskirts of the city and nestled amid its picturesque landscape. The primary attraction of the Magnetic Hill is the perplexing optical illusion that seemingly defies the laws of physics. As drivers approach a specific spot on the hill and shift their vehicles into neutral, an inexplicable phenomenon occurs. The cars appear to roll uphill. This surreal experience challenges the conventional understanding of gravity. Shouldn't an unpropelled object roll downhill from a high point instead? Scientists have proposed an explanation for all of this. They say that it is all an optical illusion that makes a slight downhill slope appear as an uphill slope. Vehicles, when left out of gear, seem to roll uphill. In reality, it's a perceptual trick caused by the layout of the surrounding land, which gives the impression of uphill movement when the slope is, in fact, descending. In any case, the Magnetic Hill has evolved into a must-visit destination, drawing inquisitive minds from across the globe. The site has become a focal point of scientific curiosity and public fascination, with enthusiasts and curious travelers sharing their accounts of this gravity-defying marvel. Other areas across the globe where such a gravity-defying phenomenon can be observed include the Confusion Hill in California, USA, Electric Brae in Scotland, the Electric Hill in New Zealand, and the Gravity Hill in Pennsylvania, USA. Number 10. The Sea of Stars. What if you were looking at billions of twinkling stars, but not the ones situated light years away, up in the night sky? Well, you might be hypnotized by the visual marvel of this sea. Nestled in the embrace of Vaduz Island, Maldives, the Sea of Stars is a celestial spectacle. As the sun dips below the horizon, the tranquil waters surrounding the island come alive with a natural phenomenon that captivates the senses and transcends the ordinary. You'll see the ocean waves filled with stars. In reality, at the heart of this mesmerizing display are bioluminescent phytoplankton, microscopic organisms that inhabit the waters. These minuscule beings emit a radiant blue glow when agitated. The beach becomes a canvas painted with the soft luminescence of these tiny organisms, creating an otherworldly atmosphere that seems straight out of a dream. The Sea of Stars transforms Vaduz Island into a realm of magic and wonder after nightfall. As the waves gently lap against the shore, the phytoplankton respond by casting a celestial radiance upon the beach. Visitors to the Sea of Stars are treated to a once-in-a-lifetime experience, as the island becomes a celestial haven that enchants and mystifies under the cover of the night sky. Number 9. Australia's Devil's Pool. Sorry to deviate from the cheerful undertone of bioluminescence, but this eerie pool is sure to stimulate your fascination. Nestled within the Babinda boulders in Queensland and surrounded by lush rainforest and striking granite boulders, Australia's Devil's Pool is known for its mysteriously deep and still waters. What makes the Devil's Pool particularly strange is its unnaturally deep abyss. The pool's depth, coupled with its dark, reflective waters, creates an illusion of endlessness. This optical phenomenon, combined with the dense rainforest setting, imparts an otherworldly and almost supernatural aura to the pool. Legend has it that the pool is haunted by the spirits of Aboriginal women who met tragic fates in the area. The stories vary, but the recurrent themes are tales of heartbreak, lost love, and the anguish of separation. This folklore, intertwined with the pool's peculiar characteristics, contributes to its enigmatic reputation. The Devil's Pool, with its deep, still waters and surrounded by an ancient rainforest, remains a captivating and mysterious natural spectacle in the heart of Australia. Number 8. Mount Roraima. You know how things can be quite disappointing if the result, after a long, arduous trek, is not what you had in mind? Well, in this case, it's the exact opposite, and the trekking part was not metaphorical. Perched on the border between Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, Mount Roraima is an awe-inspiring natural marvel. This mountain is part of the Pacaraima mountain chain and serves as a meeting point for 3 South American countries. Rising dramatically from the surrounding lowlands, Mount Roraima's sheer cliffs make it a landmark of geological significance. But what truly sets Mount Roraima apart is its mesmerizing flat summit, which spans an expansive 31 square kilometers. This plateau, often likened to a floating island in the sky, stands at an elevation of over 2,800 meters or 9,200 feet. The sheer cliffs that encircle the plateau create an otherworldly and isolated environment that has captured the imagination of adventurers and explorers for centuries. The summit of Mount Roraima is a world unto itself, boasting a unique ecosystem that has evolved in isolation. The tabletop is adorned with bizarre rock formations, crystal-clear pools, and a diverse array of plant life. Some of the flora found here are exclusive to the region. Meanwhile, the fauna includes species that have adapted to the extreme conditions. This is one mountain hike you can't miss. Number 7. The Devil's Kettle. Moving on, we have another geological mystery to feast your eyes on. Nestled within Judge C.R. Magny State Park in Minnesota, the Devil's Kettle is a geological marvel that has puzzled scientists and intrigued visitors for generations. At the heart of this phenomenon is a waterfall, but what makes it extraordinary is the mysterious kettle, or pothole, into which half of the waterfall seemingly disappears. The Brule River, flowing through the park, encounters a rocky outcrop. At this point, the river splits into 2, with one branch continuing downstream in a conventional manner, while the other cascades into the enigmatic Devil's Kettle. The latter half seemingly vanishes into a giant pothole, leaving observers to wonder where the water goes and how deep the mysterious abyss truly is. Despite various attempts to uncover the secret of the Devil's Kettle, the destination of the diverted water remains uncertain. Researchers have employed dye tests and even dropped tracking devices into the kettle, yet the results have not provided a conclusive answer. The geological forces and subterranean channels that govern the fate of the water in the Devil's Kettle continue to be a subject of scientific curiosity and public fascination. Talk about unsolved mysteries. Number 6. Rainbow Mountain. Do you like rainbows? Of course you do. Everyone loves rainbows. And you'll love them even more when they descend from the heavens. Situated in the Andes of Peru, the Rainbow Mountain is a breathtaking natural wonder. What distinguishes this mountain from others is its vibrant and diverse range of colors that span across its slopes. The mineral-rich soils and sediments create a mesmerizing palette of reds, yellows, greens, and purples, making it a visually stunning and unique geological phenomenon. Rainbow Mountain's striking appearance is attributed to the intricate interplay of various mineral deposits. Over millions of years, geological processes involving tectonic activity and weathering have exposed these vibrant minerals, creating the awe-inspiring spectacle visible today. The layers of mineral-rich rock have been sculpted by natural forces, revealing the mountain's kaleidoscopic beauty. Rainbow Mountain has gained international fame as a tourist destination. Its unique geological features and kaleidoscopic colors attract visitors from around the globe. The site also holds cultural significance, as it is situated in the vicinity of the Gate pilgrimage route, an important trek in Incan mythology. The convergence of natural beauty and cultural history makes Rainbow Mountain a captivating and sought-after destination for adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. Number 5. The Zone of Silence. Contrasting perfectly the excitement and wonder of Rainbow Mountain, this next entry is sure to scare the living daylights out of any hitchhiker who wanders here all alone. Nestled in the arid expanses of northern Mexico, the Zone of Silence, or Mapimi Silent Zone, occupies a desolate landscape spanning approximately 50 kilometers in diameter. The Zone of Silence baffles scientists with its ability to disrupt radio signals and interfere with navigational instruments. Radio transmissions experience unexpected interruptions, and compass needles exhibit erratic movements. This makes it very challenging to communicate and navigate within the zone. This peculiar phenomenon has fueled numerous investigations aimed at unraveling the mysteries concealed within this remote expanse. The allure of the Zone of Silence extends beyond conventional mysteries, as it has become synonymous with reported UFO sightings and unexplained aerial phenomena. Witnesses recount encounters with strange lights and unidentified objects in the skies above the zone. Despite concerted efforts to decipher the nature of these occurrences, the enigma persists. Number 4. The Hessdalen Lights. Let's take a respite from the horrors of being alone and lost for a second, shall we? The next time you happen to vacation in Norway, be sure to check out the picturesque Hessdalen Valley. Here, a unique phenomenon called the Hessdalen Lights has gained prominence. It all started in the early 1980s when residents and visitors reported recurring sightings of unexplained luminous orbs and flashes. The valley's remote and serene setting provides an ideal backdrop for the study of these mysterious lights. The Hessdalen Lights manifest as colorful, pulsating orbs, ranging in size and intensity. They often hover above the ground, traversing the valley with seemingly purposeful movements. Witnesses describe a mesmerizing display of hues, including white, yellow, red, and blue, further enhancing the mystique surrounding these enigmatic illuminations. The lights appear intermittently, adding an element of unpredictability to their behavior. Scientists and researchers have proposed various hypotheses to explain the origin of these lights, ranging from natural phenomena such as ionized gases to more speculative notions involving extraterrestrial activity. Despite recent progress in understanding the phenomenon, the full scope of the Hessdalen Lights mysteries continues to elude complete explanation. Number 3. Eternal Flame Falls. Fire and water don't go hand in hand. Any child who has the slightest idea of how to play with Pokemon cards will attest to this. Well, here's an exception to feast your eyes. Tucked away in Chestnut Ridge Park, New York, lies the captivating Eternal Flame Falls. This geological wonder is situated within a picturesque setting, inviting hikers to discover the unexpected juxtaposition of a perpetual flame amid the serene natural surroundings. The focal point of Eternal Flame Falls is an unceasing flame emanating from a small grotto behind a waterfall. Natural gas seepage is believed to be the ignition source. As the gas escapes from the rocks, it encounters oxygen, creating a perpetual, mesmerizing flame that defies conventional expectations. The enduring question that perplexes scientists and visitors alike is the source of this natural gas. Researchers continue to investigate the geological conditions contributing to this rare occurrence. Additionally, the ability of the flame to persist in various weather conditions adds an extra layer of intrigue to Eternal Flame Falls, making it not only a geologically fascinating site, but also a testament to the mysteries that nature sometimes keeps hidden. Number 2. Eisriesenwelt Ice Cave. This next one is not any less remote than the one that preceded it. Situated within the majestic Austrian Alps, the Eisriesenwelt Ice Cave stands as a testament to the wonders of nature. Eisriesenwelt, translating to World of the Ice Giants, lives up to its name with a colossal ice cave structure. The cave, stretching over 40 kilometers, showcases a breathtaking display of intricate ice formations. The result of a dynamic interplay between ice and limestone, the cave's grandeur captivates visitors as they traverse through its frosty chambers. The cave's extensive network of passages and chambers presents an ongoing challenge for exploration. For now, researchers are trying to delve into its depths to uncover not only the secrets of the cave's formation, but also expand our understanding of the unique ecosystems that thrive in these frozen realms. Number 1. Bermuda Triangle. Caves can be scary, but this entry defines what it means to be scary, and you've surely heard the name before. Enshrouded in mystery, the Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, forms a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. Its vertices connect Miami, Bermuda, and San Juan. Over the years, this area has gained notoriety due to reports of unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. Various theories have attempted to explain the purported anomalies within the Bermuda Triangle. Some attribute the disappearances to natural causes, including magnetic anomalies or methane hydrate eruptions from the ocean floor. Others delve into more speculative realms, invoking extraterrestrial involvement or underwater city ruins. Despite these theories, the true nature of the alleged anomalies remains elusive. Modern navigation technology and an improved understanding of weather patterns have helped dispel some myths surrounding the Bermuda Triangle. But the region continues to be a captivating enigma with a blend of historical intrigue and scientific scrutiny. Well, that's all about unbelievable places that actually do exist for now. But if you're hungry for more, stick around and check out the next video you see on your screen right now. It will surely blow your mind.